Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Setting up your YouTube studio correctly is one of the most important steps before uploading videos, especially if you're serious about growing your channel. YouTube Studio is where you control everything from how your videos are published to analytics, monetization, and branding. In this full beginner's guide, you learn how to set it up step by step so your channel looks professional and performs well. Start by going to studio.youtube.com and signing in with a Google account you used to create your YouTube channel. Once inside, you land on the dashboard where you can see an overview of your channel performance. Before uploading anything, click on Settings in the bottom left corner. This is where most of the important configuration happens. In the General tab, select your default currency. This ensures your revenue reports show in your local currency if you plan to monetize later. Move next to the Channel tab and fill in your channel's basic information. Under Basic Info, enter relevant keywords that describe your content. For example, Shopify tutorials, animation, or tech reviews. These help YouTube understand your niche. Then switch to advanced settings, where you'll set whether your channel is made for kids or not. Most creators should choose no, it's not made for kids unless your content is specifically child oriented. Now click Upload Defaults. This is one of the biggest time savers for creators. Here you can set a default video description that automatically appears every time you upload a new video. Include your channel links, social media handles, and your general call to action like subscribe for more tutorials. You can also set default tags and visibility, that is either public, unlisted, or private depending on your upload process. Under permissions, you can add managers or editors if you collaborate with others. This is useful if you run a small team handling content, thumbnails, or analytics. The community tab lets you manage comments and moderation. You can add blocked words, approve users, or hold comments for review. Important to keep your comment section clean. Finally, visit the branding section under customization to upload your profile picture, banner, and watermark. Make sure your banner clearly represents what your channel is about, and your watermark, which is usually a small logo or subscribe icon, which appears in all your videos. Before leaving, go back to settings, then click on advanced channel and ensure you have verified your phone number. This unlocks custom thumbnails, longer video uploads, and live streaming. You can verify by clicking feature eligibility and following the prompts. Once everything is done, explore analytics from the left sidebar. This section gives you data on your views, audience, and watch time, which is crucial for improving future videos. By following these steps, your YouTube studio will be properly set up and ready to support your growth journey. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.